What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another YouTube channel. And today I'm doing a basic ass oil change on daily, the Kia Stinger 0W30 Mobile 1 emission system protected. Yeah, that's what they call for. 6 quarts. Got the oil filter in there, and yeah, let me start jacking this bay up, and let's get to it. All right, so I got it up in the air, jack stands and everything. Always make sure to put jack stands when you're jacking up a car, no matter what, and break it up. But yeah, I open up the oil cap to get more air in so the oil will get down faster. All right, so for the Kia Stinger 2.0s, you gotta take off this little like skid plate underneath. It'll have this like oil emoji. Yeah, you take it off, little 10 mils. And then once you take that off, you'll be able to see the oil pan. I already did loosen it, and the oil filter's right there. Let me see if I can get it right here in this tank. Let me prop this down. Damn, that shit's still hot as fuck. So now that we have drained out most of the oil, I'm gonna go ahead and start taking out this oil filter, which is not too bad. I'm gonna have to scoot the camera back just a little bit. Oh, fuck. Oh well, I decided to make a mess. I'm gonna let that keep on leaking. Alright, so I put the new and old oil filter on top of each other just to see if they fit. And one thing I noticed is that when I took it for its first oil change, you can see right there it says Napa. I thought they were gonna put on an OEM Kia filter, but they didn't. Went ahead and got an original one for it, you know. And yeah, I'm gonna lube it up a little bit with some oil and then put it back on. All right, oil change is done. Now let's turn it on, let it heat up for a while, and check the oil level. Change this thing to sport. Let's see how it goes. Boom, so there it is. There was an oil change on it, and I took it on a good cruise over here. If you guys have any mod suggestions that you would like to see on this, or that you think is cool, let me know. I was thinking of getting like a splitter, fixing that right there. I need to do that first, actually. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. So let's drop it down to first, foot all the way in the brake, and smash on the gas, and here we go.